welcome back to my channel. Woo! I appreciate you guys for watching, because I have finally hit my goal of 100 subscribers. I know it's a really small goal, but thank you very much for those of you that have subscribed, watched, and stayed with me from the beginning. I appreciate you guys. Love you. And so today my video is about how I created my digital form vision board. So instead of getting magazines and cutting out the pictures and the quotes and trying to find things that are the same color, you can simply just go to Google and download images, save images, go to Pinterest. Those are the places that I went. If you know where other images that you can find from other sites, definitely. But I personally use Pinterest because they have a lot of inspirational quotes and pictures that I liked, and Google as well when I couldn't find things on Pinterest. So yeah, so this video just pretty much shows you how to create your own vision board, digital form, and you can print it off, put it in a frame just like how I did, and it just keeps you inspired. So I'm just going to bring you into the video and show you how I created it. It's so simple and so easy. You're going to love it, and if you do, don't forget to go ahead and share my video, like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell on the bottom. Thank you guys. Love you. Peace out.